Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Robert Mariani with Robert Mariani Photography. I'm posting my very first video. It's about the accessory handle for the Godox AD600 Pro light that I purchased from Adorama. And as you can see, the handle's already mounted to the light, and the fit and finish on it is actually pretty nice. They did a nice job with it, with the mounting screws and how you add it onto the light. It's all done very well, and it's a pretty inexpensive accessory. The odd thing is, though, you'll notice there's 4 screws that attach the handle to the base of the light, and they do ship 4 screws, longer screws, and they're larger as well with the kit. They also included 2 Allen wrenches. The odd thing is the Allen wrenches did not fit the original screws, and they do not fit the new screws. So I'm not sure why they included them, or if anyone even bothered checking to see if they work. They don't. So I had to use a standard US standard 5/64 inch Allen wrench, and I was able to take out the old screws and put in the new ones. Very strange that the kit came with Allen wrenches that don't work. But anyway, here's the handle mounted to the light. If you have one of these lights, I think it would be worth getting the handle. Sure makes handling the light up on a stand, tilting it and so forth easier. And if you want to handhold the light as you're shooting, it gives you a little more firm grip on the light so as not to drop it. Hope that helps, and if you have any questions, hit me below. Like I said, this is my first video, by no stretch of the imagination, am I a vlogger, but I thought I'd share this with you. Have a great day.